With a growing number of people doing live streaming, Zoom meeting and such, comes the need for a gadget that can withstand exhaustion, heat, and have the capacity to work for longer hours without compromising its price. Comes a new unit called Realme C12. Hi, I'm Rodel Flordeliz and welcome to Nognog in the City Unboxing. Considered as an all-around smartphone contender, the Realme C12 got a long-lasting battery life, a triple camera setup, a wide immersive display, and a polished and appealing design a lot of people would truly love. Let's run it down one by one.
Upon opening the box, Realme C12's design in color red have already caught my attention. The geometric gradient design we all love from Realme C15 has been adapted. The C12 got this trapezoid design that divides the back cover into three areas consisting of different angles of lines, thus brings its rich colors in different gradations. It was well finished and complements the square camera box design we will discuss in a bit. Actually, the back cover's texture isn't just a design to make the unit appealing, but it also keeps it comfortable to hold, less susceptible to fingerprints, and prevents scratching and sliding. I also love Realme C12's smooth curved corners that make the unit more premium. The Realme C12 is available in two colors here in the Philippines, marine blue and coral red. As we go around the unit, you'll notice that all the buttons have been placed at the right side corner, which includes the volume rocker and the power button. On the other side, the SIM card and memory card slot can be located. At the lower part, the speaker, microphone, audio jack, and charging port can be located. Upon opening, the usual smartphone setup can be experienced. Just follow the instructions, and for things you can't decide yet, you may skip it for future setup. And because I got an old Realme phone, I decided to clone my unit for easier navigation and to lessen the hassle of installing those important apps I would need to fully utilize the unit's capabilities. Now, let's move on to Realme C12 6.5 mini drop display that gives us an immersive viewing experience and is styled with Realme's original geometric gradient design. The unit has a screen-to-body ratio of 88.7%, suitably perfect especially for highly visual activities such as video streaming and casual gaming.
A good camera is always on the top of my list whenever I'll be picking a phone for purchase. At an affordable price of 5,890 pesos, the Realme C12 gave me more than what I can expect from its price range.
The Realme C12 has a 13 megapixel AI triple camera setup for clearer and precise shots. Its large aperture enables the camera to take in more light, which is conducive for low-lit subjects. Realme C12 got night mode options, portrait, panorama, ultra macro with 4cm super close focus distance, and a pro options for advanced photography users. On the other hand, the 5 megapixel selfie camera can deliver decently clear selfie as well, most especially during daylight. It can also shoot videos at 720p and 1080p at 30 frames per second and is capable of producing slow-mo and time-lapse videos. Another interesting addition in its camera feature is the so-called Google Lens that has the capability to recognize and search an item online. We'll try this feature soon on a much lengthier review.
One of the best features that I truly love about this unit is its massive battery life. The Realme C12 got a long-lasting 6,000 mAh battery that can last up to 57 days on standby mode.
Far better compared to some other flagship units. And because the pandemic has made us use our gadgets more frequently, having this kind of battery life is truly essential, especially when used for live streaming or doing movie marathons. Since I was able to get my hands on this unit, I decided to use it for online meetings and super long live streaming. As to what was said, Realme C12's battery life can last up to 60 hours of continuous music playback on Spotify, 10.50 hours playing graphic-centric games like PUBG, 23.81 hours of browsing through Instagram, 28.07 hours of watching YouTube videos, and you can actually continuously talk to someone for up to 46.04 hours. Add to that, the Realme C12 can also be a battery lifesaver to your extra phone with its special OTG reverse charge. We'll try to use this feature really soon.
Isn't that enough for you to be convinced on getting this unit? And oh, have I mentioned? The Realme C12 can be your all-around multitasking machine with its Helio G35 processor, 3GB RAM, and 32GB storage. We'll talk more of that real soon. But for now, I hope you learned something from this video. And do not forget, of course, to put the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Nognog in the City. Ciao!